Alright, so it's Monday night. We decided we're going to come up to the ball field and play a little family ball game. We're going to do a little practice with Joel. He's got his last all-star game this weekend, so we decided we're going to come up and play. It looks like they got bases out and everything, so. Alright, let's go, guys. Let's do this. Excited, Miss Amelia? Uh-oh.
Brand new ball. Joel. Run. Don't watch the ball.
That's foul.
Hey!
Yeah,
Remember, Joel, you don't watch the ball. You take off running. Okay? Fast as you can. Elbow up. Right.
Okay, so I know nobody's going to believe what that just happened, so we'll slow it down for you. Here we have the slowest man on earth, pitching to the woman who normally tells him he's the slowest man on earth. He's like, I don't think I'm that slow all the time, but here's a lesson. You don't need to be fast constantly. All you have to do is be fast when it counts, like right after this. And like right now, I'm like, oh my god, I'm going to catch this. I don't think I'm going to make it. Oh, and look at that. He catches it. Sure, I may have pulled a few muscles doing that, but... And I know everybody thinks it's probably a fluke. So let's get back to the game. By the way, this is normal speed for me.
Single-handedly.
Yes, I'm just as shocked as you are. Playing baseball today really makes me remember how fun it was when we were kids, and I'm not as young as I used to be.
Shuts the team down. Our turn back. See, we got the cheerleaders over here. How's it going, ladies? Say, go, brothers!
Well, I hope everybody enjoyed this short video. And if you missed yesterday's video, don't forget to check that out. There was some surprising news in that video. And if you want to be totally blown away, you can watch last year's video for this time and see how small the twins were. It is amazing how big they have gotten. And if you're new here, don't forget to check out the links down in the description box. There's a handful of links down there to kind of get you caught up. And also, we'd like to say thanks for watching.